Tell these folks that when you mean business, you say, I'll sing your quartet. Go ahead.
We were singing at Fayetteville, and me and Eric went to leave that night, and I didn't have any headlights on my truck. So, and usually it was 11 or 12 o'clock by the time we get home at night. So, that night we got ready to leave. I told Eric, I said, I don't know what we're going to do. We ain't got no lights, you know. So, I went and got 2 flashlights and some duct tape, and pack of batteries, and we duct taped them 2 flashlights to the front fenders of that truck, and we stopped every few minutes and changed the batteries. But we got there and we got home. We didn't go to jail. We didn't get a ticket. But anyway, George and them reminded us of that last night. And it was kind of funny. I forgot. But anyway, me and Eric made it. And he always said, help me change the batteries. Anyway.